Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Dodge.To. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm up with a new video of Dodge Dakota. So here I start. There are a few possibilities for the engine room. The pattern could be seen by looking at other mid-size models. Most pickup truck procedures are using a 4-cylinder unit as the base solution. Such pickups are not strong, but their price is much more reasonable. The Ram would be as used as 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engines, a legit Tiger Shark with 200 HP and a towing capacity of 5,000 pounds. It will be accomplished enough for the entry-level offer. Second option is turbocharged 3.0L Eco Diesel V6 units with 260 HP. This engine Ram already has an 1500 model, and with this unit, this pickup truck has 12,560 pound towing capacity. The Dodge Dakota become a well-known truck even though it's not in the market for than 10 years. Nonetheless, some topics we found where fans are asking if the nameplate is going to return. As we know that the company recently launched a mid-sized Jeep Gladiator, so that there is a doubt if the FCA needs more models in the same segment. But it is not impossible to happen. As you know, there are GM twins in truck class, and FCA is doing the same in the mid-size SUV tire in Dodge Dakota and Jeep Grand Cherokee. They were desirable to see the 2022 Dodge Ram Dakota along with the Gladiator, and even as the full-size slimming to Ram 1500. The core segment component is going to be a 3.6-liter Peninsula V6 paired with the 48V engine motor. Electric, the 2022 Ram Toyota Hybrid can compete with class-leading trucks with 305 HP and a towing capacity of 7,000 pounds. The same engine is being used by Jeep Gladiator, distinct from the 7-slot grille model. Engineers won't carry over a huge turbo diesel unit. This is one of the topics that is being criticized most of these critics regarding Jeep Gladiator. The pickup has the same oil burner as full-size model. Ram is not just keeping up with the components in the US, Ford and General Motors. The car maker even beats them in some motorizations. It's a new truck with an enormous output, 707 horsepower. FCA got a diesel engine to the half-ton segment as that same moment as F-150 and Silverado 1500. Here and now, big things are expected from the 2022 Dodge Ram Dakota, which should beat up the name and make it a challenger right from the start. If the hybrid engine ever happens, that would put the company one step forward from the competitors, which are still trying to figure out.